as their leader. And they say, free 38%, no? No, Marco.
44%.
44. Yes. Bawumia be move from 38
to
44.
Yes. And even the 44% that they got, NDC is for 53%. Even the 44% that they got, it is because of Cheddar. I'm saying, and is Bediako.
Bediako.
That's the correct name, innit? Okay, so I know it's about to emerge.
Okay.
And there is something that is about to do. He will represent in parliament. That's one thing.
Wow. Obenya rep or parliament.
He will represent in parliament.
I see.
He will have capacity to represent in parliament.
I see.
Exactly. I'm about to pinpoint the time for you, but he will represent in parliament.
Okay.
Aside the representational structure in parliament, he will have the ability. Now pay attention to this thing. The capacity to contend presidential result and get 25% within the votes. Hey. He will divide and send the presidency into a rerun.
Which year?
After 2028.
That will be 2032.
Exactly. That's when Bawumia goes on the hill, eating the lowly fruit.
Wow.
Absolutely. Oh, it's a strong will. Cheddar, listen to this thing very carefully. Cheddar, Bediako will become a president of Ghana. Pay attention to the words very carefully. It's merged in time.
Okay.
Exactly. Then when he becomes the president of Ghana, he will be able to do quite a lot of things. That one is in time, is buried there in time. That has to happen.
Okay.
But then, what will change his situation is because he will give up on his party and join a political party. Because one person will invite him as a running mate for election.
Or accept it for running mate position. No.
Once he's done with that time, they'll bury him.
A party bear.
Non-disclosure. I don't have utterance.
I see.
Exactly.
But saying yeah, NDC MPP for EBR.
Oh, utterance is not available. Once me utterance make catch up.
Okay, I see. It is tender to become a president. Wow. Auntie Nano can say after say Kennedy Japan will lose 31st January election na ebano.
And I hate one more thing on Cheddar. Before he will become a president, he was be surrounded by Arabs. And all of a sudden there will be a situation that has to do with some millions of dollars. And then they will try to push him into persecution. With some business with some Arab people. Once that thing clears and his name is cleared, that's this very season where he begins his destiny. His destiny has not yet begun.
I see. Wow.
Yes.
Cheddar. Cheddar ebeba na ne running mate be hwan?
Cheddar's running mate.